Maya? What's wrong?
You don't look okay. This isn't normal.
I've been feeling nauseous lately.
Maya, when last did you see your period?
You are looking weak. I hope I'm not pregnant. My parents will kill me if I am.
Maya, it's okay. When you get home, get a pregnant test strip to confirm if you are actually pregnant or not.
My parents will never forgive me for this. So I'm actually pregnant. Shame on me.
David? Can we talk?
Yeah, what's up?
Maya, why are you looking so dull?
David, I'm pregnant.
You are kidding, right?
How was the video? So I generated this video without paying a dime. I didn't subscribe to any app. I didn't upgrade to any app to generate this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own video for free. And mind you, I did not use Grok app. It's a different app. So in this video, I'm going to show you the practical way on how I achieve this video. You know, we do practical here. So I'm going to guide you the step-by-step way on how I achieve this video. I'm also going to tell you the name of the app I used to achieve this amazing video. And my dear, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end for you to get it right. You don't need to skip any part. You have to watch it from beginning to the end, so that you can be able to generate your own amazing videos for free. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, my dear, do well to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do, you need to head to your chatgpt and paste your story. If you already have your story, like me, I already have my story, so I pasted my story. So if you don't have your story, you can just request for ChatGPT to generate a short story for you, depending on the kind of story you want. You want a story of betrayal, love, any kind of story, you tell ChatGPT like that. So I already told ChatGPT to just hold on, that I'm about to send prompts, because I already have my story and my prompts. So right here, I pasted my prompt. If you don't have your prompt as well, request for your prompt. Ask ChatGPT to give you the kind of prompt you want. Give ChatGPT the idea of the kind of prompt. Is it 3D animation character? Is it normal human being character? Any kind of this thing you want. Tell ChatGPT. And it's very important to put consistent character so that your character's face will not be changing. And always notify it that it's 16.9 if you are going for YouTube size. And if you are going for YouTube Shorts, it's 9.16. Or if it's TikTok, it's also 9.16. So it's very important you put it there. So the next is to generate my image. So ask ChatGPT to generate my first prompt image for me, like scene one image. I don't need to copy and paste because I was the one that gave ChatGPT the prompts. If ChatGPT gave you the prompts, you have to copy and you paste it back and request for your image. But since I was the one that pasted it, it's just easy for me to tell ChatGPT to generate scene one image for me. So it is loading. So you have to be patient. Since it's free mode, you have to be patient for it to load. So our scene one image is ready. I think I'm so okay with it. So you have to click on the image and you click on save, so it will automatically be saved in your gallery. So the next thing now is for you to request for your second scene. You can see I said generate the second scene image. So now the second scene image is now generating. So here is it, looking so fine. I love generating my images with ChatGPT because ChatGPT will give you a quality image. So the next thing, you have to save your image. So after saving your image, you have to request for the third scene image. So if you have like 10 images you need to generate, you have to be requesting for it one after the other. You cannot just say generate the 10 images for me. No, one at a time. And since it's free mode, you can only generate 5 photos, 5 images. So you can see the third image is now loading.
This is the third image. So right now we have to move to the fourth image. Like I earlier told you, you will continue generating till you are done generating your photo or till you have exceeded your limit for the day. So when you are done generating all your photos, the next thing you move to your Google. Here's the Google. Here's where we are going to generate our beautiful, amazing video. So once you get your Google, you type in Google Labs FX. You click on this first Google Labs FX that pops up, this first one. So it will bring you to this interface. You have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, they'll ask you to sign in with your Google. So you click on it and it will bring you to this face, which you have to select the Google account you want to sign in with. So once you select it, it will take you to this next interface. After signing in, then you have to click next. Once you get to this page, you scroll up. Once you scroll up, it will give you option to continue. So you click on the continue. Once you continue, it will bring you back to this interface. Then you have to click on this flow, launch flow. Once you get to this launch flow, you click on get started. After clicking on the get started, it will bring you to this interface. So plus project, you have to click on it. This plus icon, you have to click on it. Then it will bring you to this interface, which you have to start creating. So you have to press on start to add an image. So select any image of your choice. Like you can see start and end, how you want the video to start and how you want the video to end. So the next thing, I'll click on the end. So I'll have to go and select another image. So after selecting the image, it will bring me to this interface. You can see the first image I selected have loaded completely, while the second image, like the ending image, is still loading. So you have to be patient and wait for it to load. So right now, the both image have completely loaded. So now we have to do this. You have to click on this video icon down here to bring you to this interface. If it's photo, you select photo, and if it's video you are trying to make, you select video. And if you are going for YouTube size, you put it on 16.9. If you are going for YouTube shorts, 9.16. If you want the video to talk faster, you put it on ×2, ×3. If you want the video to be moderate, you put it on ×1. So that's that. So the next thing, you move to your ChatGPT to go and copy your prompt. So you have to copy small, not really much, so that your character will not be talking too fast, or you will not get a right result, like a good video. Because if you overcopy, it will not come out well. So these are not what all the character will say. Like just a description, Maya, they get feeling dizzy and the rest. Like that kind of description, you have to describe the person so that the app will not make another character to be saying what the other character is supposed to say. So that's why. So after copying it, you come back to the app. Then you paste your prompt there. After pasting your prompt, the next thing, you have to click on this white arrow that is pointing the right side. So you have to click on the arrow for the video to start loading. So after clicking the arrow, the video will load, and here is the result. So listen
Maya,
to this.
when last did you see your period? You are looking weak.
The next thing, you have to click on the video, press the video down. These options will pop up. You have to download it. Click on download. Once you click on the download, you see something down here like this. You have to press save. Once you click on save, it will be directed to your file. You have to save it to your file. So after downloading, to say you should open. So when you open it, it will tell you to save in file. You have to click on save to file. Then you come here and save it. Say it's now in your file now. So if you want the video, you go to your file, and from there you can move it to your gallery. So generating your videos on this platform is so easy peasy. So let's generate another video again. So I've already selected the photo. I've already taught you how to select your photo. So I've already selected the photo. After selecting the photo, I already pasted in my prompt. You know, you have to go to ChatGPT to get your prompt. I've showed you that. So I already pasted my prompts here. So for you to get your prompts, you go to your chatgpt or wherever you kept your prompts. Take it from there, you paste it right here. And it's very important to describe the character so that the character is not going to say what another character is supposed to say. For instance, the character is on uniform, on skirt, to say Maya the gay on skirt, the boy sitting down in front of the desk and the rest, all these kind of things. Make sure you give that kind of description. You can see our video is now loading. So you have to be patient and wait for the video to load from 1 to 100. So once the video loads from 1 to 100, you should be expecting your video. So our video is now ready. So the next thing you have to do is for you to click on it. So let's
David?
listen to it.
Can we talk?
Yeah, what's up?
Hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to drop an amazing comment. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.